Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have read and write permissions and a current backup, because you will both inspect and possibly modify rows. Next, pick the table and the key columns that define a duplicate, for example, email and created date. Run a quick group by, having count *1 query to surface candidate groups. This gives you the how and why. You see which groups repeat and how many rows each contains. Once done, note the exact grouping columns for the cleanup step. Now isolate the exact rows to keep versus remove by using a window function. Row number, over, partition by call1, call2 order by preferred column desk. Put that logic inside a CTE so you can select rows where row num1 and verify you will remove the correct records. Make sure you choose an order, by that keeps the most recent or most complete row. Test the select output thoroughly so you understand why a row is ranked as duplicate before any delete happens. Finally, perform the removal inside a transaction. Delete from the CTE where row num1 and verify row counts before you commit. After cleanup, rebuild affected indexes and add a unique constraint or filtered index to prevent recurrence. That explains why prevention matters. If things go wrong or the duplicates persist, check common pitfalls: null handling, collation differences, trailing whitespace, and any triggers that reinsert rows. Make sure to run integrity checks, and a final select to confirm the dataset is clean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.